Connect more with Cable Matters products. Attach your headset to your USB-C device with a Cable Matters USB-C to 3.5mm digital audio adapter. Simply connect the adapter to a USB-C port, then connect your headset's 3.5mm audio and mic jacks. Plug and play with no extra drivers needed. Beautifully designed and carefully engineered to be powerful, versatile, affordable, and easy to use. Thunderbolt 3 port compatible. Consult our knowledge base for technical support or send us an email for more information.